Welcome back to Let's Play Free Code Camp. Today we're going to be solving the Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenge, Sum All Primes. So, in this challenge we want to sum all the prime numbers up to and including the number that's provided as the argument for our function. So, if you're not aware, prime number is any number greater than 1 having only two divisors, 1 and itself. So, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 4 is not a prime number because it's divisible by 1, 2, and 4. So what they mean is it has to be divisible into a whole number. So you can't have like a float, basically. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by writing a separate function called isPrime to check if a number is prime. So we don't have to do that in our main function, just to make it more robust. So we're going to define a prime variable, and we're going to set it as true. We're going to assume that our numbers are prime. And then down here we're going to return prime. And here we're going to say var cur for our current number, and we're going to start at 1. And then, we're going to start at 2, actually. Sorry about that. And so now we're going to say while number is greater than cur plus plus, first of all. But above this, we're going to say our result is equal to num divided by cur. And that's going to return for us a float if it's not, a whole number. So we need to check if our result variable is a whole number, an integer, in fact. So we're going to say if number dot is integer result, then we're going to set prime equal to false. And that's it. That's the isPrime function. Now we can get started on our sum prime numbers function. So we're going to define a total variable started at 0, and that's going to be our return. And we're also going to once again define a cur, and we're going to start that one off at 1. And then we're going to say while cur is less than or equal to num, because we want to make sure we check for the number itself if it is a prime number, in fact. Then we're going to once again say cur plus plus, and we're going to say if is prime cur, then total plus equals cur. So now we're going to run our tests, and looks like something's wrong. So we're going to pull out our handy console.log, see what kind of total we're getting down here, and pop open the console, run the tests again. And it looks like our number is 1 off. So it's because the problem that's occurring here is we're adding cur, our starting number of 1, to our total, because cur passes this test. It is only divisible by 1 and itself, but cur 1 is not actually, in fact, a prime number. So we're actually going to start this at 2. And we're going to run our tests again. And there we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.